Learn English with your Instill.
Hey, can we talk? I'm feeling really down.
Of course. What's on your mind?
I just feel so lost right now.
I'm here for you. Want to share what's bothering you?
It's been a rough week. Everything feels overwhelming.
I understand. Do you want to vent about it?
I don't know how to shake this sadness.
It's okay. Sometimes talking helps.
I feel like I'm in a fog and can't see a way out.
Have you thought about taking a break?
I just keep crying for no reason.
That's tough. It's okay to let it out.
I feel so alone, even in a crowd.
I'm here with you. You're not alone.
I don't feel like doing anything today.
That's totally okay. Just take it easy.
I miss how happy I used to be.
It's normal to feel that way sometimes. You'll find your way back.
I feel like I'm a burden to everyone.
You're not a burden. We care about you.
Nothing seems to make me smile anymore.
Let's do something you used to enjoy. It might help.
I keep replaying everything that went wrong.
It's easy to get stuck in that loop. Try to focus on the present.
I feel like I've lost my spark.
You're still you. It's okay to have ups and downs.
I can't seem to shake this heaviness.
Sometimes it helps to talk it out. I'm here to listen.
I'm just so tired of feeling this way.
Have you thought about reaching out for help?
I feel like everything is going wrong.
It can feel that way. What's been happening?
I keep comparing myself to others, and it hurts.
Remember, everyone has their struggles. You're doing your best.
I can't see the light at the end of the tunnel.
It can be hard to see it sometimes, but it's there.
I wish I could just escape my feelings.
Avoiding feelings can be tough. It's okay to feel what you feel.
I don't know how to ask for help.
Just take a small step. I'm sure people will understand.
I feel like I'm stuck in a cycle of sadness.
Breaks are important. Let's plan something fun soon.
It feels like no one really understands me.
I'm trying to understand. Want to share more?
I can't remember the last time I felt genuinely happy.
Let's make some new memories together.
I keep isolating myself, but I don't want to.
It's tough to reach out, but it's worth it. We're here.
I feel so many emotions all at once.
It's okay to feel a mix. Just take it one step at a time.
I don't want to burden anyone with my problems.
You're not a burden. We want to support you.
I just want to hide away from everything.
Sometimes it's okay to take a break, but don't shut everyone out.
I keep thinking about my past mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes. They don't define you.
I feel like I'm losing touch with who I am.
Let's explore what you love. It might help you reconnect.
I dread waking up every day.
Have you thought about what might make mornings easier?
I wish I could just press a reset button.
While we can't reset, we can work towards feeling better.
I don't know how to express what I'm feeling.
Writing it down might help. It can be therapeutic.
Sometimes I feel like I'm drowning in sadness.
I'm here to help you swim. We'll get through this together.
I hate feeling this way.
It's tough. Let's find some coping strategies together.
I feel invisible at times.
You are definitely seen. You matter to us.
It's hard to see the good in anything right now.
That's understandable. Let's focus on small positives.
I feel like I'm falling apart.
Let's take it piece by piece. You're not alone in this.
I don't know how to move forward.
One step at a time. We can figure it out together.
I wish I could talk to someone who really gets it.
I'm here to listen. Share what you need.
I keep thinking about what I could have done differently.
It's easy to think that way. Focus on what you can do now.
I just feel so overwhelmed by everything.
Let's take a breather and talk it out.
I wish I could find joy in the little things again.
Let's try to rediscover those together.
I feel like I'm losing my friends because of this.
Real friends will stick by you. Let them in.
I can't seem to find motivation for anything.
Let's set small goals to help get you started.
I hate how I'm feeling, but I don't know how to change it.
Change takes time. Be gentle with yourself.
I feel like I'm walking around in a daze.
Let's talk about what's making you feel this way.
I'm tired of pretending I'm okay.
You don't have to pretend with me. I'm here for you.
I just want someone to understand my pain.
I'm trying. Let me know how I can help.
I feel like I've lost my way.
Let's figure it out together. You're not alone.
I hope I can find happiness again someday.
You will. I believe in you.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.